Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So today I am going to go over to Teelaunch and we're going to design a product, maybe 1, 2, or 3. Just depends on how long it takes me to design. But I also want to just talk about some of the amazing products that Teelaunch has. So you have to actually have Shopify, a store. My store is on pause right now, but you can use your Teelaunch store on a pause $9 Shopify store a month. And yeah, so we're gonna go over there. Make sure you guys subscribe and hit the notification bell. So I'm in my back office for coins and connections on my Shopify store, and in my app section there's Teelaunch. So they always have like important updates on this very first page. Of course, this is past about the Valentine's Day stuff, but they talked about celebrating 5 years in business and in August of last year. So like kind of new updates just pop up here from time to time. So here, if you wanted to create a product, you would hit here. This is where all your orders are stored. Export, import, manual order, monthly invoices, integrations, and I have my integration with Etsy, and then just account information. So I'm going to go ahead and click create product. And we're gonna let's see, we're probably gonna talk about a product that normally people don't create. So they do have all of the normal t-shirts and products like that. They have the long sleeve baby bodysuit. They have toddler shirts. They have youth hoodies and things like that. Here they have these acrylic, well, not acrylic, but personalized crystal blocks. They have drinkware. They have the accent mug, a black mug. What else do they have? They have the tumbler. Actually, I have, which one is it? Let me find it. I have the wine tumbler here. So this, I think this is newer, the 32-ounce water bottle tumbler, which is super cute. And then they have these vacuum tumblers as well. So of course the magic mug with the changing colors, but this is what I normally use, the black mug here with Teelaunch, because I love them and the quality is pretty good. They also have home goods. They have bamboo coasters, beach towel, Christmas stockings, hooded blankets, fleece blankets, doormats, corks, rounded corks, shower curtain, and pillows. I am going to go through all of these just so you guys can see. It's a jewelry box. And they have kitchenware where they have a bowl, a plate, a glass cutting board. They have a platter, and they have wood cutting boards as well. And lifestyle, you can get the Bluetooth speakers. You can get headphones that are customized, backpacks, Outlander backpacks, and you can get a power bank as well. So that's unique, something different to basically have. They also have the Monogram products where you can get a Monogram adult beanie, a Monogram scarf, Monogram gloves, and hats. I do want to look at this just to see. Office supplies, you have cards, folded cards, flat cards, journal, hardcover, paperback, and spiral. Then you have a mouse pad. And then personalized stuff. Here you have, so this is kind of like what they say. Customer chooses the product, selects personalized, they upload their own photo, and then you ship it to the customer. So I love that you can do that with the air freshener, charging station, mugs, Bluetooth speakers, just some other few things too. So that's unique, where it's just like these are for personalization. They have dog stuff, so they have a pet bandana and then a bowl. And then they have the combination apparel where you can pick two. So like you could do a family, a mother and daughter, mother and son, shirts here, which I think is really great option to have and be able to consider. Then they also have the combination mugs where you can get 2 different mugs in a whole thing. And last but not least, we have wall art. We have the 3-piece canvas sets. We have the flag, posters, rectangle canvas, tapestry, all of that good stuff. So I'm trying to think. Okay, so I wanted to check out the Monogram because I think I've never really looked at this before. So I'm going to hit the Monogram scarf And I'm going to go to start designing because I'm not sure how this works. Okay, so I don't know if they do your lettering for you. So I'm just going to put monogram scarf. And let's see what happens. I'm not going to add it to a collection. I'm not going to add it to anything here. I'm just going to 11. And I'm going to make sure it's hidden because I want to see how this shows up. So it says publish to your store. So apparently I'll have to put in my letters because this is different. I've never it just says monogram scarf, but it does not tell me to upload anything. So I'm going to actually go on my website and see this, but I think this is something that we all can learn from too. Okay, so let's see. Let's go to products. Oh, maybe let's go to create an order. Let's see. And see what happens. So it's going to choose mustard. I'm going to hit add to order. Why did that show up? Sorry guys, I don't know why that showed up. All of these shirts popped up. So I'm just removing them. Okay, so we have the monogram thing here. But I want to go back to my apps and then go back to Teelaunch and possibly go to putting in the custom order because I'm confused of how this works without them actually knowing what you want. So I'm going to do manual order. So this is a good learning experience because this is a product I've never done before. And it would be nice to see how this works. Yeah, I'm still confused because there's nowhere that it tells me what to choose. So I'm gonna have to think about that one. Because it's very confusing. So if there's anyone who's done a monogram, please let me know because I would like to know how that will definitely work out. So we're going to go to office and we are going to do, I want to get a spiral journal. So then later on I can actually buy it and show you guys. So the spiral journal is 5x7, durable, thick, glossy laminate cover, 75 leaves of lined pages. I believe you can pull it out. It has the perforated pages. Black coil binding allows notebook to lay completely flat. Corners are rounded from preventing bending. So the size of that is there. I'm going to go over to my Canva and find a picture really quick. Okay, so I found my picture and it's 3113. So I need to resize it. Let me make sure it's in inches. It might be in pixels. So let's do pixels. So 3113 by 2138. So this is the design I want. So I'm going to move that over right there. Just a little bit more. And hopefully that lines up pretty good. So I'm going to download it in JPEG. And hit download. Because I think that's what it wants. Yeah, JPEG. So it wants that in JPEG. So I'm going to go to my downloads. And I'm going to upload this journal cover. And then it'll give you, it'll show you what it looks like. So I think I'm going to move it over just a little bit more. And I'm download it again in JPEG or JPG. And then I'm going to re-upload it one more time. So you can actually like hit clear image or just upload another image. Okay, so I uploaded it and that looks great to me. So we're gonna go hit review and publish designs, and what happens is it'll bring you up another preview page. I don't know what I named this one. Oh, Ponytail Girl. Ponytail Geometric. Okay, so it shows you what it will look like in the back. I didn't put anything on the back. So you can hit that and view the full size of what it'll look like. So that's here, which looks like I need to probably go in and color in more of the black on my actual design. But that's what it looks like. And then you could add it to whatever Shopify collection. I don't want to. I'm going to put the $6 price here. And I'm going to put it hidden. And then it will basically publish it to your store. So I'm actually going to buy this spiral journal so I can have one for you guys to see and unbox it. And I think I want to create another product. I know last time I think I did the air freshener. Let me see, what was it in home? Let's see, it's probably in personalized. So let's see, I think it's in personalized. Okay, so the size for this is 900 by 1200. And I think I'm gonna do, let me see. I'll just do a totally different design, maybe something. Custom size, 900 by 1200. Wait, let me see, is it inches? I think it's pixels, yeah. 900 by 1200. Let's just create like a little YouTube thing. Air freshener. The background's gonna be red. Let's go to elements, go to YouTube. So and then it's too many subscribe buttons. Hit to find the word subscribe maybe by itself. There we go. And I can change the color to black. Actually, I wanted to maybe white. Let's see. There we go. But I actually want the subscribe to be black. Let me find one that I could change completely. Or we can use this one. And then change that to black. Everything is trial and error. So I'm going to put my channel name. Use my favorite font. Bring that down. Ungroup this. So you can get rid of that. Make this smaller. Because I want to make sure it fits in the shape of the air freshener. All right, so I'm going to download that. I believe in JPEG as well, so I'm going to hit download. And we're going to upload this. Oh, it says PNG. So let me go back and do it in PNG. All right, go back over to Teelaunch, and then I'm going to upload the PNG file and see what it looks like. Oh, perfect. I did a perfect size. Okay, so we're gonna hit review and publish designs. And I'm gonna say YouTube air freshener. So for anyone who want to be nosy and look at my car, subscribe to my channel. So that's like some self-promotion for yourself, okay? So I don't know, it's supposed to show both pictures. Let me see, is it still loading? It's still loading. So then it'll kind of show you the actual design here. Not going to add it to any Shopify anythings, but I'm probably going to order both of these. And I'm going to keep this hidden on my page. But here, that's how it look in your car. So I'm going to order the journal and the air freshener. And if you guys want to order it from your back office, you can do just like I was showing you earlier. You can do a manual order, or you could go to your Shopify store and go to orders and just type in the product the same way. So if I want to do CCS, YouTube, I don't know if it's up already. What was the other one? Oh, there it goes. So that, you add it. And then it has a different scents. So you can choose from, ooh, I wonder what coconut smells like. So 3-pack coconut. So that's added. And then I want the ponytail geometric journal, and I'll add that. And it'll choose, like, ask me what size. Oh, well, this one only comes in one size. So that'll be there. I'll put my shipping information, and then I'll submit the order. So it'll take a little while. It'll show up as like pending, and it'll say batching, and then it'll say ship. So and then it'll, you know, charge whatever card that you have. So that's 2 different products you probably were not aware that you can use. And then for anyone who wants to use, like, who has a Shopify store but also sells on Etsy, and you want to like use some of these products, that's still like print on demand. You just will have to manually well, you don't have to manually fulfill, but like I said, you can integrate it with Etsy and let Etsy fulfill your Teelaunch products, or you could just manually fulfill the products yourself, depending on what platform you're on. But I hope this video was helpful. I know it was a little long. I am going to do more research on that Monogram items and find out for you guys, and possibly come back with another video, because that was a little confusing. And I don't know, because I've never used a Monogram. I know it's been there for a while, but I would love to now find out more information about it and then share that with you guys. Again, like I said, if there's anyone who's done the Monogram products on Teelaunch, feel free to like message me or send me an email or leave in the comment sections how did that work out for you, okay? So until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.